Hi, I'm Melissa from Northline Express, and I'm going to do a demo on our stack and store brackets. These are a great product to build simple things with just 2x4s. It's great for building a simple firewood rack for those of you who may just be starting out with firewood storage, or for those of you who have storage down pat when it comes to firewood. This is a great addition to what you may already have in place. Maybe a simple little log rack on your porch to keep that firewood handy when you need it. It's also a great way to build a workbench in your garage or a shelf in your garage to add some stackable items to. When you purchase the product, you're going to get 4 of these brackets, which are heavy duty, and they have pre-cut slots in them that fit standard 2x4s. It also has some pre-drilled holes that are going to allow you to use screws or nails if you wanted to add some extra stability to your rack. Or if you're building something that's a multi-tiered shelf, then you'll want to use those, but it's not required if you're building a single-tiered product. Okay, so what I've got here, I've got a couple 2x4s already laid out, and I'm going to build you a not-to-scale version of a log rack just so you can see how simple it is to put this product together. Now what you'll need to do is get some 2x4s, and you'll just want to cut them to the length of whatever you're building. I've got my 2 ends of my log rack laid out here, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Now these would be the other end, and you're simply just going to put them in place. And this would be a time where if you wanted to add some screws or nails, you could go ahead and add those with the pre-drilled holes. Very simple. Now you'll take your next piece, and that's going to be the base of your log rack, and you'll want to just slide that in. These pre-drilled holes make it really nice. And then you'll just slide that in on the other side as well. And now we're ready for our side supports, which are going to be what keep our firewood stacked. And you would just take one and add it at each corner. So within just a few minutes, there's a possibility of having a great firewood rack that you could use out on your porch. You could use it out for your firewood storage. And like I said, the possibilities really are endless as long as you don't let your imagination get in the way. And another nice feature about this is all of this is completely reusable. If I got sick of my firewood rack, I could take it all apart and my wood is still good, or I could get some different sizes and create something bigger. So really, it's one product that gives you multiple options.